We have landed. This is Mumbai Airport, so we'll give you a tour. This is my flight. We have landed here. So we came out. It's a BTS airport. I will just show you my back side also. This is the walking area. We would have to shut the videos in between because of immigration. It won't be allowed. So for few minutes we have to shut. Once we clear the immigration, we'll start the video again. So this is the arrival gate. See, you can see the Singapore Airlines. This is the flight where I've come out. It's cleaning all the foods and sites. I was in this on Taj SAT site for launch. Day before yesterday, I had a food in this launch journey, the Taj launch. So the food is provided by them in the flight. Flight cleaning, processing, everything will be done. And this flight will again take off in some time. So see the mountains at the Mumbai airport. You saw everything. You saw all the gates where plane comes and lands. So let's see. Inshallah, to clear the immigration, check-in boarding. Here also the flight cleaning process is going on. They clean everything, they load the food, unload the garbage and everything. So this is Mumbai airport tour. It's nice, beautiful, neat and clean inside. We'll go on the belt. There's a walking belt everywhere. All the airports here also it is. Indigo flight. People walk also. Sometimes if this is not connected, we have to go in the bus also, walk, and this is a good experience, by the way. Steps. You can have a good photo shoot at the end. We had it in Kuwait airport. When I landed the Kuwait before going to Dubai, I had this experience. I have this photo. You see, the flight is landing over there. The new flight is landing. All passenger, immigration baggage claim, washroom, way to immigration and baggage claim. This is washroom on another side of the airport. We won't waste time in washroom. Domestic lounge access is there, but I don't want to waste time. I have 6 domestic lounge access pending, but now I'm tired to go there. It's better we go home directly. But I had food in the airport, like in the plane also, in the night at the lounge also. Afternoon I had in Singapore, and in the morning I had a SAT site launch of Taj. So right now, not much hungry. We'll see the launch. If there is anything beautiful, let's see. If I find any launch, clarity on the way. I won't search it much. Domestic launch, because we can use the domestic anytime. This is the belt again. The new flights. Huge to walk, so you can imagine all walking, how much we are walking every day. All the airports it is, not here. You have to wear almost all the airports. I want to remove the mask, but I don't know. Again, they will mask kidhar hai, mask kidhar hai. I don't know what's the logic. Everywhere mask. See, this is a small car. You have to hire this. It's a taxi, you can say, airport taxi. That is the baggage. See, Singapore Airlines, all the baggage in there. I don't check in. I had my luggage with me only. I didn't check in because it was single cabin baggage. While going, I checked in, but right now I took it with me only because it again we have to wait. This is a wheelchair access behind me. This is also a paid service if you want emergency. Otherwise, you can inform while booking the tickets. Yeah, I'm hungry. But no time. I want to meet my kids, my wife. Like after 10 days, 11 days almost. It's a big tour of 11 days. After 11 days, I can't wait to meet them. See, one more flight is coming. So it's the busiest airport. Every 2 minutes, one flight is landing. So So they need to make more airports because Mumbai is the busiest airport. Now we came inside. We'll shut in few minutes because the immigration, the videos are not allowed. So once we reach the immigration, I don't know how big line it will be there in the immigration. All the countries' immigrations were very quick and fast, but in India there will be a huge line. Let's see how much line it is. This is Santa Cruz, towards Santa Cruz washroom arrival. First let me get into the line, then we'll go washroom and everything because there will be a huge line. So much to walk. Again there is a belt. I'll close the video because here they won't allow. Okay, bye.